Hello everyone. Today we will make cassava suman. We will use for medium cassava, grate cassava, please comment down below if you are enjoying our recipe. Remove excess juice from the cassava. Let's add 2 cups of brown sugar, coconut strings, butter.
Mix well until the ingredients are properly combined. Quickly pass the banana leaves over high flames to help soften and make it easier to fold. Gently wipe away the white residues and dirts with a damp cloth. Cut the leaves according to your preferred size. Scoop the mixture and place it over the prepared banana leaves. Roll banana leaves to wrap the mixture. Secure the top and bottom part of the leaf by folding it inward in the same direction. Take 2 of the wrapped cassava rolls, with the folded side facing each other, and tie them together using banana leaf string. Arrange prepared suman in a steamer. Steam for about 35 to 45 minutes or until firm. Hope you enjoyed our recipe today.